is a special time. It's a time to remember the special people who have touched our lives.
I know, they give you a gift card so we can go shopping. Yay!
Now I'm going to open this. Whoa!
Whoa! Look at that!
It's handbag.
That's a pretty fancy one.
And
that's from Uncle Jim and Aunt Doris?
Yeah.
Cool, and you can put all kinds of stuff in there.
Oh yeah, lots of stuff. That was the first thing I pulled out. Can I help them? Can I get all the stuff out? Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh man! It's Winter Series, Chilly Breezes.
Let's see.
Oh,
it's My Little Pony.
Cool.
Yeah, all kinds of good stuff.
Bob and Larry! Collector's plate.
Oh, cool.
Oh, man. God made you special. Very much. He loves you, Jamie. Cool. But wait, there's some more.
Wow.
Harold
Uncle Jim and Aunt Doris
Learn
hooked you up.
Pearl's Ocean. Learn about animals.
Can't go in the microwave.
It's a plate. Hello there, I'm Pearl the clownfish. Welcome to my wonderful underwater world.
What else is in the bag, hon?
Okay, here we go. Whoa!
Whoa!
Peekaboo, peekaboo poo. My pages have holes. Hey, they have holes.
What if there's more books in there?
Wow, that's pretty cool.
I wonder if this.
Pretty cool, Sam.
No more.
No more?
Wow.
That was nice of them, huh?
Lots of nice gifts from Uncle Jim and Aunt Doris.